In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning poster using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning an event, advertising a sale, or just need a creative way to spread a message, Canva is a fantastic tool to bring your ideas to life. You don't need any graphic design experience, and the process is simple and fun. So, let's get started. First, head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com in your browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one, which is pretty straightforward and free. Click on the login button located in the upper right corner of the page. You have multiple options for signing in. You can easily log in with Google, Facebook, or via your email. Choose the method that works best for you. Now that you're logged in, look to the upper left corner of your screen and find the Create a Design button. Clicking on this button will open up a range of options for different design projects. In the search box provided, type in poster. This will bring up a variety of poster templates that you can choose from. The great thing about Canva is that it offers diverse templates, but it also gives you the freedom to start with a blank slate if you prefer a more personalized touch. Once you've searched for posters, take a moment to browse the available options. Choose a template that fits the theme of your poster. If you're going for a vibrant, eye-catching design, choose something colorful and bold. Similarly, for a more professional look, perhaps lean towards something sleek and minimalistic. Canva offers endless possibilities tailored to almost any theme you could imagine. After selecting your template, it's time to infuse it with your personality. You'll want to customize the fonts, sizes, and colors to ensure the text stands out. This step is crucial as it determines the readability and aesthetic appeal of your poster. Clicking on the text within the template will give you options to edit these elements. Feel free to experiment with different combinations, as Canva offers a wide range of style choices. Finally, adjust the layout to your taste. This might include adding images, changing shapes, or including additional text fields. Remember, the goal is to make the poster yours, something that captures your message and engages your audience. Feel free to play around and find what feels right for your project. And there you have it, a beautiful customized poster made in just a few minutes using Canva. Feel free to download and share your creation as needed. Remember, practice makes perfect, and don't hesitate to explore Canva's other features and tools for even more creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.